Guys, today we will see the poem for Anne Gregory. So here the poem was written by William Butler Yeats, and this poem is a conversation between a young man and a young woman, and what are they arguing about. So here the topic of ideal beauty and the influence it has upon individuals is the subject of William Butler Yeats, the poem for Anne Gregory. And the poem expresses the speaker's adoration for Anne Gregory, and he explains to Anne that the difference between inner beauty and external beauty. So here the poem emphasizes the notions that the individuals are captivating to outer beauty and are prepared to alter their own characteristics in order to be liked by a person whom they are attracted to. And the poem also addresses issues of love being superficial. So here W.B. Yeats has tried to touch a very important topic through this poem, and he says that it is almost impossible to find a person in your life who loves you truly. And by saying truly, he means the one who loves you for your qualities and not for your looks. He says that only God loves you for what we are from inside. So here let's see the explanation by the stanzas. So first stanza: never shall a young man thrown into despair by those great honey-colored ramparts at your ears love you for yourself alone and not your yellow hair. So here despair means sadness, and ramparts are the high wide walls around the castle or fort. Means, for example, the rampart of the Red Fort. In this way, the hairs are means at your ears. So here this poem is a conversation between the poet and a girl named Anne Gregory, and the poet says to the girl that a young man can become hopeless if you will reject him, but this doesn't mean that he had true love for you in his heart, and it is because you have beautiful hair with which he had fallen in love. The girl has very beautiful hair, and they fall on her ears and seemingly protect them just like a boundary wall protect the fort. So here the poet is pointing out at the reality which many people face during their youth, and they are liked by the opposite danger. Here we can see that the not because of their inner beauty but because of their appearance. So what's the rhyme scheme here? See here: young man, despair, hair colored, ear, alone, hair, ear, hair. So that is like A B C B D B. This is the rhyme scheme here. And honey colored ramparts at your ear is the comparison, that is indirect comparison. So here Anne's hair is compared to the ramparts of a wall, so it is metaphor. So let's move to second stanza. But I can get a hair dye and set such color there, brown or black or carrot, that young man in despair may love me for myself alone and not my yellow hair. So here Anne replies that she has a nice solution to this situation. She can dye her hair and change the color into black, brown or carrot, as this will no longer make her look less attractive, and they maybe she will find the young man who will love her inner beauty, not her appearance. So here rhyme scheme is die, there, carrot, despair. There, despair, carrot, alone, hair. Hair, despair. So there, hair. So here the rhyme scheme is A, B, C, B, D, B. And here repetition of the sound S start with two consecutive words like in the set such. So here that we can say that it is alliteration. Okay, I hope you guys understand. Now let's move to the third stanza. I heard an old religious man but yesternight declare that he had found a text to prove that only God, my dear, could love you for yourself alone and not your yellow hair. So here yesternight means the previous night. After hearing this, the poet says that he had heard an old religious man says that he could prove a fact that a text that he had found in some religious book. The fact was that it is only God who loves us for what we are and not how we look. So he loves us for our inner qualities. Only God can do this. So here rhyme scheme again, A, B, C and D, B, B, D, B. Okay, and here repeated use of the word at the beginning of two lines, that he, that only, that he, that only. So that is anaphora. And alliteration, he had your hair, he had your yellow. So that is alliteration. So here I hope you guys understand this poem, and the poem is over. So thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye.